Hi, I'm Mr. Wolfson, and I'm the visual arts teacher here at Nathan Hale Arts Magnet School. As you're touring our school, I'm sure you're noticing some evidence of some of the work that students are producing in the art room. In New London, we've organized our art curriculum to match the national and state art standards, and in addition, we have organized each grade level at the elementary school to focus on really essential elements and principles of art that we feel all students should know going forward through middle and high school. So in kindergarten, we start with familiarizing the students with tools and materials, our expectations of how those items are used appropriately in the art classroom. Moving on to first grade, we focus on line and shape in art. In second grade, the focus is pattern and texture in art. In third grade, it's all about color and color theory. In fourth grade, move on to working with form and movement in art. And in fifth grade, we focus on balance and space. What makes Nathan Hale Arts even more special, though, is that in fourth and fifth grade, in the Essentialist classes, we offer select courses and specialized courses that fourth and fifth graders can choose to take as well. This year, for visual arts, I'm offering a Art in the Garden course